Hi friends, welcome to my channel GC Tutorials MYSORE. So I hope you all good. So today's session I am going to deal with cell biology part 3. So in the last class we studied about the difference between the plant cell and the animal cell and some of the functions of different organelles which are present in the plant cell and the animal cell. So in this session we are going to study deeply about some of the organelles and their functions, etc. Okay, so friends, till now if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button for new videos from our channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So the function of the Golgi complex is, what is the function of the Golgi complex? So this Golgi complex is one of the main organelle which is present in both the plant cell and the animal cell. In the last class I'll just explained about the Golgi apparatus, So in the last class I told you so many things about this Golgi apparatus, right? So this Golgi apparatus is also known as Golgi complex or Golgi body itself, or simply it is a Golgi. It is a Golgi. Okay, it is present in a eukaryotic cells. What is eukaryotic cells? So here I just gave you the explanation for this eukaryotic cell. What is eukaryotic cell? So here any cell or an organism that possesses clearly defined nucleus, those are considered as eukaryotic cells. Okay, the eukaryotic cells has a nuclear membrane that surrounds the nucleus. Okay, but in case of prokaryotes, the prokaryotes are the organism those cells lacks a nucleus and other organelles. Here in a prokaryotes there is a lack of nucleus and other organelles, but in case of eukaryotes, presence of nucleus, the presence of nucleus in case of eukaryotic cells. Got it? So next come to the point, that is Golgi body or Golgi complex. We says about the Golgi apparatus is also known as Golgi complex or Golgi body. Simply it is considered as a Golgi itself. Got it? Next to come to it plays a central role in modifying. What is the function? I yesterday only told you that what is the function of the Golgi apparatus is just modifying, sorting and packaging. Packaging often described as, it is described as a cell's post office, because the Golgi apparatus ensures cellular products are delivered. Ensure the products are delivered accurately and efficiently. That is why it is described as what? Which is described as Golgi apparatus is described as a cell's post office, because of it delivers accurately and efficiently the cellular products. That is why it is considered as the cell's post office. So here we have one question on this. The function of a Golgi complex is absorption, secretion, storage, not clearly known. So the function of this Golgi complex is, exact function is secretion. The secretion is the storage of the Golgi apparatus. The function of the Golgi apparatus is secretion. So next to come to this absorption, which organelle plays a role as absorption. So here the absorption and store nutrients, ions and water is done by vacuoles and plasma membrane. Vacuoles and plasma membrane plays an important role in absorption. So here Next come to the next question, that is the green colored plastid is. Which is the green colored plastid? Here we have some of the options, that is chromoplast, leucoplast, chloroplast, tonoplast. So here we have some of the options which is considered as a colored plastid, green colored plastid is. Here the answer is for this question is chloroplast, because in the last class only I told you that the chloroplast contains the green color pigment called what? The green color pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present. The green color pigment is called chlorophyll is present. That is why it is in a green in color, because of chlorophyll pigment is present in chloroplast. So here the chloroplast, the types of we have so many types of plastids here. So the first one is chloroplast and the chromoplast, here leucoplast and the tonoplast. These are the types of the plastids, but they are asking about the green colored plastid, which is green color plastid. So here out of 4, the green color plastid is chloroplast, because of chlorophyll pigment is present in the chloroplast itself. Here we have a chloroplast. So it contains a chlorophyll pigment which within that is why it is considered as chloroplast itself. So green plastid containing chlorophyll, they are the sites of the photosynthesis. What? These chloroplasts are the sites of the photosynthesis. In that, it is converting the light energy into chemical energy, where in a chloroplast, because of presence of the chlorophyll pigment. Chlorophyll means a green color pigment, which is very helpful for the process of photosynthesis. So here photosynthesis means converting light energy into chemical energy, right? Next come to the other plastid, that is chromoplast. So this colored plastid rich in carotenoid, which one? Carotenoid pigments. They impart red color. They impart red, yellow and orange colors to fruits and flowers, hiding in pollination and seed dispersion. So this chromoplast is they are having this colored plastid rich in which one? Carotenoid pigments. They imparts which color? Red, yellow and orange colors to the fruits and flowers itself. In case of chlorophyll, we have a green color pigment called chloroplast. This is the green color pigment. Chlorophyll is present. In case of chromoplast, a red color pigment, yellow and orange colors gives fruits and flowers itself. Next come to the other plastid, that is leucoplast, right? Leucoplast. So in this leucoplast is a colorless plastid. This leucoplast is what? Colorless plastid. This one primarily involved in the synthesis and storage of the starch, oil and proteins. Further, this leucoplast is the function of this leucoplast is primarily this leucoplast is a colorless plastid. It involving in the synthesis of storage of starch and oil and proteins itself. Got it? So here the chromoplast is actually the color plastid rich in carotenoid pigments. They impart which color? Red, yellow and the orange colors to the fruits and flowers. In case of this one, leucoplast, this is primarily this is a colorless plastid. It involves in the synthesis of what? Storage of the starch, oils and proteins. Got it? Next come to this tonoplast. Next come to the point, tonoplast. This tonoplast is also a plastid. So it is regularly, the function of this tonoplast is regulates movement of the ions, water and solute into and out of the vacuole. Where the vacuole is present, the vacuole is present within, this is the vacuole. So in this vacuole, the tonoplast, the function of the tonoplast is it regulates the movement of the ions, water and solute into and out of this vacuole, into and out of this vacuole. Got it? This is the function of the tonoplast. Stores important substances like nutrients, waste, pigments and enzymes. Also the function of this tonoplast is it also stores important substances like nutrients, waste, pigments and enzymes. So this is the function of the tonoplast itself. Got it? Next come to just studied about the colored pigment plastid, that is chloroplast. So shall we study about the structure of the chloroplast clearly now? Got it? So this is the structure of the chloroplast. So here in this structure of chloroplast we have so many parts, right? So here step by step we are going to study about this chloroplast. Got it? I gave you the simple notes for all this types of plastids and their functions. So I already told you chloroplast. This chloroplast containing a chlorophyll. They are sites of the photosynthesis. This chloroplast converting light energy into chemical energy. I already told you now. So this is about this chloroplast. And come to chromoplast. It is a colored plastid rich in carotenoid pigments. They impart red and yellow colors. I already told you everything. So next come to leucoplast. This is a colorless plastid. So it involves in the synthesis and storage of starch, oil and proteins, right? So I gave you the simple explanation for all this. If you want, you just pause the video and take the notes. If you want, you just pause the video and take the notes about all this. Okay? Tonoplast, I gave you the explanation for tonoplast also, where it is found, how the structure is present, what is the function of the tonoplast. I already explained you deeply. Okay, next, structure of the chloroplast. We have so many. The structure of the chloroplast here, the structure of the chloroplast is, so the structure of the chloroplast here is like this. So intermembrane space is present. Intermembrane space is present. This a light color area is present. You know, this is the intermembrane space. This dark color area is outer membrane space. Next come to the stroma. This is the aqueous liquid. The aqueous liquid which is present inside the inner membrane of the chloroplast. Got it? Next come to the grana. This is a stack of thylakoid. Stack of means the number of thylakoids are considered as grana. This single structure is known as a thylakoid. Number of thylakoids are totally considered as granum. Totally considered as an granum. Stack of thylakoids is known as an granum, right? So this, the bonding like structure is present, a light color bonding like structure is present. That is a lamella. This is lamella. Inside the thylakoid, that is lumen is present. Inside the thylakoid there is the presence of lumen. This area is considered as a lumen, means inside the thylakoid membrane is considered as a lumen. So outer membrane, this outer membrane, this green color membrane, what it is present in the chloroplast is considered as a outer membrane. This is a smooth outer layer that allows small molecules to pass. Got it? This outer membrane is just smooth outer layer that allows the small molecules to pass inside. The function of the outer membrane is it just pass the small molecules into the chloroplast itself. Next come to another one, that is inner membrane. Inner membrane is the membrane which is present below or inside the intermembrane space. Got it? So it lies just inside the outer membrane. This is the outer membrane. This is just lies inside the outer membrane. Regulates what? It regulates the transport. The function of this inner membrane is it regulates the transport. Got it? Next come to another important part of this chloroplast is, which is the chloroplast is stroma. This stroma is a fluid filled. This stroma white color area is present, you know. This one is a white fluid filled space inside the where it is present inside the inner membrane. This is the inner membrane. Inside the inner membrane stroma is present. What the stroma is? Fluid filled space inside the membrane. Inside inner membrane contains what? It contains enzymes, ribosomes and DNA. In stroma it is present inside the inner membrane of the chloroplast, and also it contains what? It contains enzymes, ribosomes and DNA. What is the full form of the DNA? I told you in a last class what is the full form of DNA. The full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. So this is about the stroma. Got it? Stroma is a fluid filled space inside where? Inside the inner membrane of the chloroplast. So it contains enzymes, ribosomes and DNA. Next come to the another part, that is thylakoid. This thylakoid is a flat, and you see here, you observe this green color area, that is green circle like structures, oval like structure is present, you know. This is considered as a thylakoid. Got it? This flattened sac where light reaction of photosynthesis occur, inside this thylakoid area. It looks like a flattened sacs where the light reactions of photosynthesis occur. Where the photosynthesis occurs? In the thylakoid area. Got it? The flattened sac like present is known as an thylakoids. Got it? Next come to the next one, that is grana. What is grana? A stakes of thylakoid. A stakes of thylakoid means this single one is considered as a thylakoid. This single one, the mutual or the total number of thylakoids are considered as a grana. The stakes of thylakoid means like pancakes. This looks like a pancakes, right? This shapes. This shape and flattened sack-like shape is considered as a pancakes, right? This pancakes that increases surface area. That increases the surface area means the one by one after the other. This increases the surface area, right? So this is about the grana. Next come to the lumen. Lumen means the space inside each thylakoid. Each thylakoid means a single thylakoid is present, you know. This is the single thylakoid. This one single thylakoid. This one is considered as a single thylakoid. This is also one of the single thylakoid. Inside the thylakoid, inside the thylakoid, the space inside, what it is, a light parrot green color you are observing, right? So this is considered as lumen. The space inside each thylakoid is considered as a thylakoid lumen, right? Next come to the other one, stroma. Already we studied about that. Membranous bridge that connect grana. So this membranous or the membranous bridges that connects the grana itself is known as an stroma lumen. Lamella, stroma lamella. Got it? Next come to the other. So I think you don't have any confusion in this. If you have any doubt in this, please comment in the comment box. If you have any doubt, just ask about if you have any doubts. Got it? So next come to the next question, that is, so already I told you about this, the plastids and their types. So I explained everything. So if you want any notes, you just take a screenshot or pause the video and take the notes. Got it? Next come to this one. Also I explained everything, structure of the chloroplast. Now only I explained everything. So if you want the notes for this, you just take the screenshot of this one. Okay. Next come to I explained everything, thylakoid, lumen, stroma, lamella. I explained everything. Next come to the function of the chloroplast. What is the function? I already told you, no, the function, it converts the sunlight, water and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. Okay, this is the function of the chloroplast. So here in this two types of reactions are taken place. Which are those means light dependent reactions. In thylakoid, we observed the area. This is the thylakoid area. This is the thylakoid. In this thylakoid area, we are observing the reaction. That is what the reaction, that is light dependent reaction. In thylakoid, light dependent reaction takes place. In this reaction, produces ATP and oxygen takes place. Produces oxygen and ATP takes place. Got it? But in case of stroma, light independent reaction takes place. Light independent reaction takes place. In thylakoid, light dependent reaction takes place, but in case of stroma, light independent reaction takes place. Here in this reaction, produce a glucose. In this reaction, it produces a glucose itself. So this is about the stroma and the function of the chloroplast itself. Got it? So next here we have so many brief notes about the storage of starch, how it is takes place, synthesis of fatty acids and amino acids. These are all the functions. This is all about the function of the chloroplast. This is also one of the main functions, storage of starch. So okay, this is also one of the function of the chloroplast. Next come to synthesis of fatty acids and amino acids also takes place with the help of chloroplast itself. So another one, that is, it contains its own DNA and ribosomes, allowing it to produce some proteins independently, because two types of reactions takes place in the chloroplast, that is light dependent and light independent reaction. In case of stroma, light independent reaction takes place. In case of thylakoid, light dependent reaction takes place. These are all about the functions of the chloroplast. Got it, guys? If you have any doubts after this video, you just comment on the comment box if you have any doubt about this. Got it? Next come to the matrix of the chloroplast is known as what? The matrix of, we already studied about the chloroplast structure clearly, right? So matrix of the chloroplast, where it is present. So the matrix means the outer layer. The matrix of the chloroplast, what the matrix of the chloroplast is considered as stroma. What? The matrix of the chloroplast is considered as a stroma. It contains what? It contains what? Enzymes, proteins, lipids, like all are present within that itself. The matrix of the chloroplast is known as stroma. So next come to cytoplasm. Cytoplasm means it is a jelly-like fluid. What it is? It is a jelly-like fluid. This cytoplasm, what we are going to actually we studied about this in a last class also, right? So this cytoplasm, so the stroma, the matrix of the chloroplast is known as a stroma. Got it? Next come to another option is there, that is chondrosome. Next come to cytoplasm, and another one is a grana. So we are going to study now, it is cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance inside the cell that surrounds the nucleus and fills the space between the cell membrane and the organelles. Cytoplasm, yesterday only we studied about this also. Cytoplasm means this is the area, the yellowish area, you know, this is the cytoplasmic area. This is the cytoplasmic area. Here it looks like a jelly-like substance inside the cell. Inside the cell means this is the cell. Inside the cell, this is the jelly-like substance. Is surrounds what? Nucleus. Surrounds the nucleus, the jelly-like substance which surrounds the nucleus, where it surrounds nucleus and fills the space between the cell membrane. Space between the cell membranes. Cell membranes means this yellow color area, what it is present here. This is the cell membrane. This is the cell membrane, right? And the organelles. Which are the organelles? This is the cell membrane, these are the organelles, right? Mitochondria is also one of the organelle. Next come to the vacuole is also one of the organelle. Lysosome is also one of the organelle, right? Chloroplast also one of the organelle. Ribosome also one of the organelle, right? So these are all the organelles. So where it is present, it is space, fills the space between the cell membrane and the organelles. Cell membrane and the organelles. Here the cell membrane, here the organelles. In between this, the what is this? This is the cytoplasm. It is present between the cell membrane and the organelles. Got it? It is composed of mainly what? It is, I already told you yesterday, this cytoplasm is mainly composed of what? Water, salts and proteins. Got it? This cytoplasm is mainly composed of what? Water, salt and proteins. Got it? Got it? So next come to the key points about the cytoplasm. What is the cytoplasm? It helps supports and suspend organelles. So it also helps to suspend the organelles within that. Okay. It's the site of many cellular process like glycogenesis. What is glycogenesis? I'll tell you in the next class exactly what is the glycogenesis process. Got it? And also one of the main point about this cytoplasm is it allows movement of the materials within the cell through cytoplasmic streaming itself. Got it? Cytoplasmic streaming. This is all about cytoplasm. Last class also we studied about this one. Got it? Next come to the another one option is there here. Which one? Stroma we studied, cytoplasm we studied. Next come to chondriosome. What is chondriosome? Chondriosome means is another name for this one. Which is that name? That is mitochondrion. Chondriosome is also known as mitochondrion, which is often called as what? Yesterday only I told you, no, mitochondrion also known as what? Known as the mitochondrion is also known as powerhouse of the cell. This mitochondrion is also known as powerhouse of the cell itself. Got it? So here in this mitochondrion, it produces the energy in the form of what? ATP. In the form of ATP. Through which process? Through the cellular respiration, mitochondrion produces energy in the form of ATP. Got it? In the form of ATP. This has a doubled membrane. It has a double membrane structure. Outer membrane and the folded inner membrane called Ctet. This folding like structure you are observing here, this is known as an Ctet, doubled layer known as. This as a double membrane layer. So this contains their own DNA and ribosomes also. This mitochondrions also contains its own DNA as well as its own ribosome. So here what is the function of this ribosomes and the DNA means it allowing them to replicate independently. Replicating means doubling, means replicating its own DNA and ribosomes. Got it? So this is about the mitochondria. Yesterday also I just explained so many things about mitochondria. Got it? So next come to the another one, that is which is balance here. So I studied about stroma, chloroplast, chondriosome, everything is over, right? So next come to the grana. Grana also we studied, right? Grana also we studied. So grana means the grana also this grana is a sacs of thylakoid, right? So it looks like a pancake. I already told you, no, this looks like a it looks like a pancakes, right? This grana looks like a pancake, right? So that increases the surface area. I already explained this one. This grana is looks like a pancakes. Here the grana is looks like a pancakes, and also it expands or increases the surface area. It increases the surface area. Got it? So we studied all the 4 options here. Next come to the another question, that is, so I gave you the simple notes for all this. Got it? If you want, you just pause the video and take the notes. So the cytoplasm is, I already explained everything, right? Jelly like a substance inside the cell that surrounds the nucleus and fills the space between the cell membrane and organelles. It composed of mainly what? Organs, water, salts and proteins itself. Got it? So I gave you some key points about chloroplast. So cytoplast, if you want, you just take the screenshot and use it. Got it? So guys, till now, if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel. And if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe for our channel itself. So till now, finding, if you are finding this lessons helpful, make sure to subscribe for more easy to understand educational content every day. Got it? So please do subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of curious minds. Got it? So don't miss out on further topics. Subscribe and turn on the bell to stay ahead in your studies. Got it? Next come to the point, that is, I already told you everything I told you. So it allows movement of the materials within the cell through cytoplasmic streaming. I explained about chondriosome also. This is also known as a mitochondrion. So this is known as a the power of the house of the cell, and also it contains its own DNA and ribosomes. So everything I explained, everything. If you want, you just pause the video and take the screenshot of all this. Got it? Next, here I told you everything about this mitochondrion structure. I explained, you know, this is the it has its own ribosome. Here the matrix is present, the blue color area, and the red, there is cyclic like structures is known as an DNA. So here the outer membrane is present, the yellow color area that is considered as an outer membrane. So white lining like structure, wavy like structure is present here. It is known as an inner membrane of the mitochondria. Got it? So this is about the mitochondria's diagram. If you want, you just take it the screenshot and use it. So if you have any doubt in this, you just ask in the comment box. Got it? Next come to the structure of the chromosome. The structure of the chromosomes is as follows. So structure of the chromosome means, so here a chromosome means a chromosome is a long thread like structure. It looks like a thread. Got it? It is a thread like structure, long thread like structure. This chromosome is a long thread like structure. This chromosome is a long thread like structure made up of what? Made up of DNA. Made up of DNA and proteins. DNA and proteins found in the nucleus of the cell. Found in the nucleus of the cell, where the chromosome is present inside the nucleus. There the proteins and DNA is present. So it is made up of DNA and protein itself. The chromosome is a long thread like structure. It is made up of DNA and proteins found in the nucleus of the cell. And also it carries, what is the function of this chromosome is, the function of the chromosome is it carries the genetic material information that determines an organism's traits and directs cell activities. This is the function of the chromosome. This is the function of the chromosome. It carries the genetic information that determines an organism's traits. Organism's traits is determined by the help of this genetic information which is carried by the chromosomes. Got it? Next, come to some of the important points about this chromosome is, this chromosome, the human have how many chromosomes? The humans have 46 pairs of chromosomes. Got it? Sorry, 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs. 46, 23 pairs. Got it? So the number of chromosomes present is 46. How many pairs means 23 pairs of chromosomes. So here each chromosome is made up of what? DNA. Got it? This each chromosome is made up of a DNA. So this is about this. It looks like each chromosome is X-shaped. You just observe in this diagram. This chromosomes is looks like X, right? So X-shaped chromosomes consist of what? Two sister chromatids. This is considered as a chromatids. This one. This is a here the chromatid. The two sister chromatids it has, right? So X-shaped chromosomes consist of, this is the X-shaped chromosome. It consists of two sister chromatids. Which is a chromatid? This one is a one chromatid and this is a another chromatid. So chromatid joining, they are joining at the point called what? The joining point is considered as centromere. This is the joining point. This is considered as a centromere. Got it? So this chromosome is looks like egg-shaped. It consists of two sister chromatids. So joining at the point called as an centromere. So this chromosomes carries genes. This chromosomes carries what? Genes, which are specific sequences of DNA. So this is about the chromosomes. If you have any doubt on this also, you just ask in the comment box. I'll just try to clarify your doubt. Got it? So this is about the today's class. So in the next class I'll go to another questions related to cell biology, so in deeply. Okay, so next in the next class we'll discuss about the remaining questions in a cell biology in a part 4. This is the part 3 cell biology part 3 class. So in a part 4 we are going to discuss about remaining questions and cell biology. So in this class, if you have any doubts, please ask in the comment box. So please guys, if you are not subscribed till now, please do subscribe for our channel. Don't miss to hit the bell button for new notification from our channel. Got it? If this video helped you, imagine what the next one will do. Got it? Subscribe now and keep learning with us. Got it? So thank you guys. Don't miss to hit the subscribe button. Please do subscribe now and keep learning with us. Got it? Thank you all. Just meet in the next video. Bye. Take care.